Today I have a patient returning a little bit over a year after his first procedure. We did 1,500 FUE grafts, and he has a scarring alopecia. It's a condition called LPP, lichen planopilaris, and we were able to get all this hair growing in this whole area was scarred, and there was no hair to begin with. So this is all transplanted hair right here, and as you can see, when we put it together, it looks pretty good. He's probably going to come back in another 6 months, and maybe we're going to do one more transplant to increase the density in this area and kind of go in between what we did the first time. But considering he has a scarring alopecia that was diagnosed by a dermatologist, I think we had really good success. We're going to actually show a little picture of the before photo, and it's actually pretty impressive.